ngifuna uku-introduce ingane yami. Abazali ba-influence iy'ngane zami ukuthi asihlukane phakathi. Ingozi leyo. Ngisho uMethuli angabukeka engathi uzalwa uMakhwela. Kodwa uMathuli uyena impela-ke wabo. Omama abantu bokufika bona bazaliwe la ekhaya. Phethe ne-toys la. Okay. Le ngane lena ngiyayizala. Udade wenu. Hello. Igama layo uMethuli. Umememe akalifuni leli gama uMethuli. Ngoba manje buka kumanje ngithola ucingo lokuthi nginey'nkinga ezinzima. So ngayiqamba le ngane ngathi uMethuli.
Wonke amagama akhona mawethu. In the name of Jesus akhona. uMethuli aney'nkinga zakamseleni noma inkinga zakuphi? Hayi. Bengaqamba nangothuli nje.
Impilo ingane ngawufinile wena usisi wakho. Okay.
So the season is coming to an end and I don't see a unity already. And we're left with 2 episodes and then after kudlala Keeping Up with Londi. And people are complaining with CA as I'm Keeping Up with Londi. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. So Umusa recently introduced Baby Met to the Mseligu kids and the welcome was so cold. And don't want to be cold because so every child is influenced by their mother, including Baby Met. Baby Met usisemncane say baby, but what umamaki ayikhulumile TV na laba badala bayibonile and it will be hard for them ukuthi bam accept. Umakhwela once said she only recognizes abantwana baka Macele as ama-siblings kaMethuli and the others bekangaba recognized because abazali babo abamvumanga, which included every innocent kid lapha phakathi. And now Baby Mets is a bandla yazini khetha wonke ama-strays. They asked Umpilo ukuthi aguge ingane and she was like, yo no, mina ayingikhona ukuguga ingane because ngiyagula. And then Umawandena kuma diary sessions wakhe she was like, yeah, why would you name a child Umethuli inkinga zakamseleko for in? And I'm like, these children are influenced by their parents. And then Baby Met usafarela izenzo zakamama yakhe. Uyosafarela nje izenzo zakamama yakhe and uyosafarela nokuthi abafazi bonke babengamfuni except uMacele bebangamfuni umama yakhe. So uyokhule ingane efihliwe nje. Ibona ku screen nje kuphela. Let's hope guys yazi kula 2 episodes lawa asele nje there's unity yazi sike sibone nje ukuhlangana kwaMseleko, but we also love drama. Guys, what are your thoughts on this? Thank you for watching.